like to get a train to work, or driving in a Beamer or a Merc. Some guys like to travel in by bus, but I can't be bothered with a fuss today. I gotta take my bike, cause once again the tube's on strike. The greedy bastards want extra pay for sitting on their arse all day, even though they earn 30k. So I'm standing here in the pouring rain. Where the fuck's my fucking train? London Underground.
London Underground.
They're all lazy, fucking useless cunts. London Underground.
London Underground.
They're all greedy cunts. I wanna shoot them all with a rifle. All they say is please mind the doors, and they learn that on the 2-day course. This job could be done by a 4-year-old. They just leave us freezing in the cold. What you smell is what you get. Burger King and piss and sweat. You roast to death in the boiling heat, with tourists treading on your feet and chewing gum on every seat. So don't tell me to mind the gap. I want my fucking money back. London Underground.
London Underground.
They're all lazy, fucking useless cunts. London Underground.
London Underground.
They're all greedy cunts. I wanna shoot them all with a rifle. La 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 la. La 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 la. The floors are sticky and the seats are damp. Every platform has a fucking tramp, but the divers get the day off when we're all late for work again. London Underground. Wow, wankers, they're all wankers. London Underground. Take your Oyster card and shove it up your arsehole.
It's okay, I'm good. Let's go! Yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars out. Let's have a total celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out. Let it rain, let it pour away. We won't come down until we hit the ground. Yeah, pass out. Yeah, I'm in charge now. I'm a star and I brought my fucking cars down. I live a very, very, very wild lifestyle. And Audrina, eat your heart out. I used to listen to you, don't wanna bring arms out. I've got so many clothes, I keep some in my aunt's house. Disturbing London, baby, we about to branch out. Soon I'll be the king like Prince Charles. Yeah, and there ain't nobody pressure. Semester to semester, raving with the pressures. 20 light bulbs around my table and my dresser. CLC compressor, just in case that don't impress her. Say hello to Dector, say hello to Uncle Fester. Got him gazing at my necklace and my crazy sun protectors. G-shots, I got a crazy dumb collection. Haters, I can't fucking hear your reception. Yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars out. Let's have a total celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out. Let it rain, let it pour away. We won't come down until we hit the ground and pass out. Yeah. She was meant to last for 24 hours, right? Yeah, they say hello, they say hola, and they say bonjour. I'm pissed I never got to fly on a Concorde. I've been Southampton, but I've never been to Scunthorpe. I'm fucking crazy with the kicks, call me John Claude. I'm about to be a bigger star than my mum for. Cause every day I got a groupie at my front door. Now I drive past the bus I used to run for. Where's my fucking gap? Where's my encore? I walk alone, cause I was born alone. Our trips are just for fun, I'll never ever call a phone. I leave her in the club, I'll never ever walk her home. D.O. the fucking foundation, I'm the cornerstone. I've been famous, I'm sorta known. And if your son doesn't, I bet your daughter knows. Check out my visual, check out my audio. Extraordinary, yo, hope you enjoy the show. Yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars out. Let's have a total celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out. Let it rain, let it pour away. We won't come down until we hit the ground and pass out. Whoa. Look at me, I've been a cheeky bastard, man, and look at all the drama we started. Now I'm in here laying on my back, singing DJ, won't you give me one more track?
Pause out.